Right, so this question was slightly different on your exam than on the practice exam. So even though there is a recording, and I encourage you to watch it, I want to show you how to extend the results that we did to include the second solution. So if tangent of theta is 3 over 11, then what I meant you to do with this triangle is to go ahead and make 3 over 11. So you should know, if you're doing SOHCAHTOA, this involves the TOA, or if you want to remember tangent of theta is y over x, then this is the y and this is the x. It's also the opposite over adjacent. So whichever form you're using, that's fine, and that's what you should get for the triangle. Now, the hypotenuse, if you don't remember how to do these, you should probably go back to the video that is discussing how to find missing legs and hypotenuses of right triangles, okay? Which is, let's see, it was from exam 1, but I just made a video about it. It's exam 1 question 7, but there was no video because it wasn't on the practice exam, so you have to look at question 7 on the final exam review to get that. Okay, so let's go ahead and calculate that. 11 to the power of 2 plus 9, right, gives us 130. So square root of 130. So sine, cosine, and tangent we already have. And sine is y over r. Cosine is x over r. Let's not be so sloppy. Come on. We can do this better. There we go. And tangent, as we know, is 3 over 11. Okay, that is the first scenario. What about the second scenario? Well, you can, this is all in quadrant 1. And the other one happens to be in quadrant 3, which you don't have to identify it as quadrant 3, but I want to tell you that so that you can visualize it better. So if there's an angle here that has a tangent of 3 over 11, there's got to be another one right over here also. So for tangent, if there's a solution in quadrant 1, there has to be another solution in quadrant 3. But if there's a solution in quadrant 2, there has to be another solution in quadrant 4. Okay? So the thing is either positive or negative. If it's positive, it could be quadrant 1 or quadrant 3. Right, what does that mean? You think of it this way, tan of theta is minus 3 over minus 11. And then if you have that, you can just forget all this. Okay, and let's say you're just working off of this. Okay, then the numbers are going to look all the same, except sine is now y over r. R can't be negative. And cosine of theta is x over r. So these are the other scenario. Okay, and that will be full credit.